Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can send encrypted emails on Gmail in 2026. So let us get started. So navigate to a Gmail or your Gmail inbox and compose a new email or message by clicking into this button in the top left. And here in the bottom right, guys, you will see the new message window. So enter the recipient's email address here, the subject, the text or content of the given email here, and so on and so forth. But before you send it to the given recipient, guys, you may open up the encryption mode. You will find it here at the bottom. It is called or named toggle confidential mode, so enable it. And after that, guys, you'll be redirected to that window. So according to this disclaimer information here, recipients of this sent email here or message with the confidential mode turned on won't be able to, for example, download or print this email. And you can also set an expiration date for that email you sent. It will be set to expiration date for 1 week on default, which would be from now on January 5th, 2026. But of course you can customize that and set the expiration date for 1 day or for 1 month. It's totally up to you. And also, guys, you may enable the passcode requirement. For example, the recipient may need that passcode to open up that email, and you can enable that, for example, by clicking into this button, or simply disable it if you don't want to use that feature. And last but not least, save your changes by clicking into this button, and you will see that, as you can see, the message draft window will look like that with that blue bar here at the top and the confidential mode enabled. You can always edit it if you like or disable it, and that's how you do it, guys. After that, you may send the message to the recipient as a confidential or encrypted mail, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.